The London, Brighton and South Coast Railway opened a new station named Preston on the 1st of November 1869 to serve the growing parish of Preston on the north boundary of Brighton. The station was enlarged and remodelled to its present design in 1879 during the construction of the Clifton Curve spur line from the main line to Hove and the West Sussex coastline. The station was then renamed Preston Park, although the nearby Preston Park did not exist until 1883. In 1881, the railway murderer Percy Lefroy Mapleton alighted at this station after killing Isaac Frederick Gold and dumped his body in Balcombe Tunnel. What a pleasant chap. So we'll get started here at Preston Park with 700 142, working the 1638 Govia Thameslink service from Bedford to Brighton. Passing fast through the station is 387207, 387212 and 387218. Working 1 Mike 95 for Gatwick Express from Brighton to London Victoria. Passing through the station 30 minutes late is 700 147, working 9 Sierra 37 for Govia Thameslink from Cambridge to Brighton.
It's a good old 147.
Next train to depart is 377463 and 377473, working the 1650 Southern Railway service from London Victoria to Littlehampton. Dual working through the station now in the form of 700 147 and 387226 and 387213. Running 5 minutes late with 9 Sierra 46 for Govia Thameslink from Brighton to Cambridge and 1 Whiskey 88 for Gatwick Express from London Victoria to Brighton, respectively. Arriving next into the station is 377418 and 377407, working the 1656 Southern Railway service from Littlehampton to London Victoria. As 700 153 passes through, working 9 Sierra 39 for Govia Thameslink from Cambridge to Brighton, reaching 700 142 arriving, working 1702 Govia Thameslink service from Brighton to Bedford. Next train out of the station is 700 120, working the 1708 Govia Thameslink service from Bedford to Brighton. Passing fast through the station is 387213 and 387226, working 1 Mike 99 for Gatwick Express from Brighton to London Victoria. Passing next through the station is 700 151, working 9 Sierra 41 for Govia Thameslink from Cambridge to Brighton. This today started at Letchworth Garden City due to a points failure. Passing next through the station for Govia Thameslink is 700 153, working 9 Sierra 48 from Brighton to Cambridge. Next to depart for the station is 377449 and 377402, working the 1720 Southern Railway service from London Victoria to Littlehampton. Next to arrive into the station is 377455 and 377436, working the 1726 Southern Railway service from Littlehampton to London Victoria. Next into the station is 700 120, working the 1732 Govia Thameslink service from Brighton to Bedford. And to bring an end to the Brighton Mainline showcase, here's 700 128, working the 1738 Govia Thameslink service from Bedford to Brighton. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.